In this video, I'll show you how to fulfill orders from Ricemill. On the home page, Ricemill will show you how many new orders awaiting fulfillment. Clicking on the link will bring you to the orders page and all the new orders will be loaded. Ricemill automatic import paid and unfulfilled orders from Shopify. So open up the orders. Click the fulfill orders button. The package measurement are prefilled using the value from the inventory. You can override the measurements. Select the shipping service. Click on Pay and Print. Print out the shipping labels. As soon as the label is printed, we'll send the tracking information to your Shopify store and mark the order as fulfilled. That's quick and easy. Now, let's see how to partially fulfill an order. This is useful when some of the items in the order are currently out of stock and you would like to ship out items that are in stock and ship the remaining items when new stock arrive. So let's go open up the order, click the fulfill order button, exclude the out of stock item from the shipment by changing the quantity to fulfill value to 0. Select the shipment service. Click on Pay and Print. And let's just print out the shipping label. So the tracking number will automatically get recorded as soon as you print out the label. Since we are partly fulfilling this order, Ricemill will let Shopify know that there is still remaining item yet to be fulfilled. We can verify this via Shopify admin. Now you can see the order is now marked as partially fulfilled. So when the new stock arrives, you can continue to fulfill the remaining items. This time we'll choose an offline carrier to fulfill the order. Enter the tracking number and click Save. Let's check if the order is now marked as fully fulfilled on Shopify. There you go, it marked as fulfilled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.